Alright guys, I just want to show you one thing, okay? If your brakes are very old and they're thick and you still think you got a life like this one right here, it does look like it got a life, and you're mistaken. Check this out. I'm gonna pull out this brake pad. The whole shoe itself, the ceramic part is just moving. Alright? See that? Look at that. And it's been like that that's the brake pad right here. All right, and I told the customer about this. He still thinks his brake pads are so good, but that's not the case. I did the front ones. I recommended all four to him, but check out this. Check out his front brake pad. Alright, that doesn't look so good to me. Anyways, if you got brakes that are very old, you might want to think about replacing them, even if they look good. But this is what it is, and you don't want this. It's your life. This is what stops a car. This is the brake pad on this vehicle. Alright, short little video I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be changing the discs and everything on this vehicle, but this is what it is, okay? The brake pads. This is the brake pad sitting in my hand. And that's the backing plate right there. Alright, so thank you for watching, guys. And do take into consideration that all the brake pads are done. Alright, just because they look like they got life on it, they really don't have any much of a life on it. But I hope you guys take this into consideration and take time to take a look at your brakes. They all change them. So we got before and we got after. And to do a good job, lubrication is the key. Lubrication, new parts, good brake pads, lubrication, hard rate kit, cleaning the hub, putting the disc on, brake pads, nice and lubricated. Everything is nice and smooth. Piston flushed back in and lubricated. Job well done. Nice and safe. Do torque all your bolts.